pocket-sized beam compass for the 21st century. Woodpecker's latest one-time tool, the Pocket Compass and Pocket Compass XL, make significant improvements on the traditional larger beam compass. Our compass uses a pair of precision-machined telescoping body parts that lock to your desired dimension with a twist of a knurled head screw. Our pocket compasses are very accurate and easy to set up. They feature precision, laser-engraved imperial and metric scales and a pivot hole on one half of the body, and on the other you can easily slide the alignment mark to set your dimension. To draw your circle or arc, simply insert the center pin on one end and a mechanical pencil in the first tapered hole on the other. Swing the compass to draw your circle or arc, and you're done. Our compass also has additional precision-machined pencil placement holes to conveniently increase the compass setting diameter in 1-inch increments to draw even larger diameter circles. Another point of our new compass design is the point. Unlike the common divider-style compass with its pin-sharp centering point, you can tote our pocket compass in your shop apron without feeling like a pincushion. When not in use, the stainless steel centering point securely stores in the compass body, keeping you out of harm's way. We make our quality pocket compass in 2 sizes for drawing a wide range of circle diameters. The original pocket compass is compact, about the size of a disposable lighter. It can strike circles from 1 inch to 7 inches in diameter. The new, larger-sized Pocket Compass XL tackles circles and arcs from 2 inches all the way up to 21 inches in diameter. When you order both sizes, your pair of pocket compasses will come with a Woodpecker 0.9mm mechanical pencil, a 12-pack of pencil leads, and a 4-pack of erasers, all nestled in a protective plastic case with a custom-cut foam interior. For a fast, accurate, and painless pocket compass, consider Woodpecker's new Pocket Compass and Pocket Compass XL for drawing your next woodworking projects, circles, and arcs. Like all Woodpecker's one-time tools, the Pocket Compass and Pocket Compass XL.
Introducing the M12 Cordless 1/4-inch hex 2-speed screwdriver, part of the industry's most versatile subcompact system from Milwaukee. Featuring a 2-speed gearbox with 18 clutch settings and up to 275 inch-pounds of torque, the M12 screwdriver delivers superior power and precision for unmatched versatility. Slim grip and improved ergonomics optimize comfort and control for all-day use, while a reversible belt clip provides tool belt portability. All M12 tools are controlled by Milwaukee's patented Red Link intelligence to protect your investment against overload, and powered by M12 Red Lithium batteries for more power, more runtime, and more recharges than any battery on the market. Versatile, compact, and powerful, the M12 1/4-inch hex 2-speed screwdriver, part of the M12 system featuring over 60 cordless solutions from Milwaukee.
Mitre saws are ideal for trimming wood at a variety of different angles. Applications include framing, skirting boards, and nogging pieces. Types of cut include straight cutting at 90 degrees, bevel cutting, and compound cutting. The laser guide allows you to make extremely accurate cuts in wood. You can even make use of the pre-selected Mitre angles at 0, 15, 22.5, 31.6, and 45 degrees, and adjust your bevel from 0 to 45 degrees. The premium thin kerf blade has 24 carbide tip teeth, which increases the performance and runtime. And with one 5 amp hour lithium plus battery, you can make 189 crosscuts in 38 by 108 millimeter wood on a single charge. This Mitre saw is sold as a bare tool, allowing you to build on your ONE+ collection without the need to pay for additional batteries and chargers. As part of the ONE+ system of over 50 great tools for your home and garden, this cordless Mitre saw will work with any ONE+ battery.
Inspiration can strike anywhere, anytime. Now part of the 20-volt max system, the mouse sander has gone cordless. Its compact size makes it easy to maneuver. With the 20-volt max lithium-ion battery, it can hold a charge up to 18 months, so it's ready when you are. Plus, the detail finger attachment allows you to get into those extra hard-to-reach areas. And with the dust collection feature, you can clean up quickly. Now, the cordless mouse sander can come along wherever the project takes you. The cordless mouse detail sander from BLACK+DECKER, helping to make life a little smoother.
Stanley laser products provide precise solutions for common leveling and alignment applications. The Stanley Cubics projects bright horizontal and vertical lines onto flat surfaces, providing users with simple, easy alignment and leveling for projects such as installing shelving and tile. A locking pendulum allows users to set angled lines for railing and banister layout. The Stanley Cross 90 has all the features of a cross-line laser with a vertical line at a 90-degree angle from the cross lines. The vertical line provides an additional reference point for projects such as cabinet installation and laying out wall partitions. The Cross 90 also contains a locking pendulum for setting angled lines. Overmolded grips provide comfort and control. The Stanley SPL3 is a 3-beam spot laser, projecting beams up, down, and horizontal. The SPL3 emits 3 bright, self-leveling beams to give accurate plumb and horizontal point transfer. A raised down beam allows for spot visibility and alignment for wall track layout. A bimaterial case provides grip and user comfort. All 3 units feature a locking pendulum to help prevent damage to internal components. All 3 units are compatible with the Stanley Quick Link system. The Quick Link allows users to mount the unit through multiple slots, and a curved clamp easily secures to many surfaces. Regardless of the application, Stanley has the right tool for every job, a quality tool for every job. Turn to Stanley for your hand tool needs.